Hi, this is Esma from HEG Lighting. I'm Esma, welcome to my channel again. Today we're going to see how the reflow soldering machine works. 4 areas are included in the machine. A zone for heated, the temperature will climb to about 200 Celsius degrees. And the B zone for thermal. C zone is the reflow area. The temperature will up to the highest about 245 Celsius degrees. And this is to melting and soldering. This zone is the cooling zone. Reflow soldering is a key step to make good quality products. If failed in some process, it could cause short circuit, PCB distortion, and some other quality problems. Follow me to get more information. Bye!